Toolbox is bulletproof. I'm gonna set it up on its side like this and shoot through here and see how many drawers it can go through, and see if you can make it all the way through, past every drawer and past the bottom.
Done with the 22.
Okay, so there's the marking of the 22. See, it didn't come out the backside at all. Went through there. Oh, tray stuck. And it looks like it hit right there, but it didn't go any further. So it stopped on the first tray, right there. Oh, yep, there's the bullet, right there. Okay. Next we'll do the 5.56.
5.56.
Okay, well, it looks like the 5.56 hit the bottom, opposite side of the 22. So we'll see how far that one went. Through there. Went through the first drawer. Blew through the second. Yep. Blew through the third. Let's see if it went all the way out the backside. Get this deal in there. Okay, screw it. Oh yeah, 5.56. Blew straight through it. It's a good size hole.
Now I'll be doing the 25.06.
And my bet it blew all the way through. Yep. So there's a 5.56 hole. There's a 25.6 hole. Over double the size. Oh yeah, it's in there. The drawers are in now, so. All right, next will be the 12 gauge with the 1 ounce slug, and that'll be the end of it.
Now we're gonna do the 12 gauge with the 1 ounce slug.
That one was mostly for shits and giggles because it completely demolished this thing. Oh yeah, all of that is blown open. All right guys, thanks for watching.